everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventure, and I am super excited to be opening this package. Yes, it says fragile. It is not the size of a diamond painting, so it is not a diamond painting, but it is diamond painting related, and I'm super excited. So this, I believe, came from Stormy Sisters. So we're gonna open it up and check what's going on. Oh my goodness, where did I just put my cutter? I had it 30 seconds ago. All right, well, I'm too excited to pause, so we're gonna cut it open with scissors. Don't do this at home. So let's see, how am I gonna wanna open it? I'm going to want to open it here. So we are going to cut through this tag. Ah! Yeah, it's fragile, and I sent it flying across the room. Oh my goodness, guys. Ah! So, while I'm trying to cut this and not kill myself or the package, I want to give complete props, because the whole reason I found this was from Mrs. Coffee. I actually didn't even watch the whole video first before I went and checked out the Etsy site. I'm always looking for new accessories, and I'm just getting well acquainted with Etsy on my app on my phone. As I go to sleep at night, I'm scanning it. My husband's always worried that it means that in 3 days I'm going to be in 3 days I'm going to have another package when he knows I'm scanning Etsy. So when I saw her thumbnail, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta go check them out, because I just love their logo. It was beautiful. It had my favorite colors, and so I didn't even watch the video. And then after I ordered everything, I went and watched the video and was like, holy cow, yes, yes, yes. So alrighty. So this is, look at this. They send a little card, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And then on the back, Storm Sisters Studio. And inside, thank you so much for your order. If you have any problems when you receive it, please let me know. We hope you will love it. If you do, we appreciate your feedback. Jane and Dawn. Well, thank you, Jane and Dawn. Okay, so here is their Storm Sisters. Right? There's their card. And I'll also have the link down below. And this is what got me, guys. This is why I bought from you, or like went out and checked your store, because I love these colors. Oh my goodness. So Jane and Dawn, you did great. So I went and saw this and absolutely fell in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's so much prettier than it was on Etsy. Look, guys. Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness. So it's like a dark blue sparkle, and I love the dandelions. And so this has a single placer and a 3-placer. And then they glitzed it up. Seriously, guys, now I have a glitzed up. Let me see if you can see that. Ah! Oh, this is gorgeous. And it fits perfectly in my hand. I love the light feeling. Let me see. And if you want, you can switch out. Oh, guys, I'm going to get to that in just a minute. That is beautiful. Okay, now, so I ordered that separately. I think this was, I'll put the price down below. I don't want to tell you wrong. And then, look at this one, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It has glitter sparkles in it. It's also got a little bling bling. It's a single placer and a 3-placer. I love the weight of these. They're hefty but not heavy. And this matches what is in here. And when I saw this, I had to buy it, guys. OMG. Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Is that not to die for? It's got a little charm, a little bird. And this is a copper color. And then this. And then down below, they have their Storm Sister, and then it matches this. So they sell these as a kit, right? So you can buy these individual. They look like they're one of a kind. You can buy this individual, or you can buy it as a set. And look how cute that is, guys. That's why I bought it, because this is so cute. And I had to get it, okay? It's beautiful. It's handmade. It's one of a kind, and it's going to be gorgeous right here. I'm going to smile every time I see it. They also come in amazing cute bags. They know their stuff. And then they gave me a tray so I can be happy diamond painting in case I didn't have a tray. They thought of everything. Now this I was not expecting. So I want to see what is in here, girls. What did you do? Okay. Oh, so cute. So they sent a little gift. Peanut butter bar. Yum, yum, yum. Eileen's Instant Tacky. And then this little cover minder for Halloween. Adorable. I am definitely going to be using that. That's so precious. So thank you guys so much for that beautiful gift. I'm going to put it back in the bag so I don't forget where it's at. And once I'm hitting stop on this video, I'm going to have that piece of candy. Just saying. So yeah, definitely, I'm putting their link down below, but check out Storm Sister Studio. Please, please, please check them out over on Etsy. They have some amazing stuff over there. I had to stop myself from buying. But yeah, definitely check them out. And keep your eye on when I contacted them after I purchased it, right? So after I purchased, I contacted them and I said, look, you guys have amazing stuff. I just purchased off your Etsy site. I can't wait to get it, and I'm going to be posting a video to review for it. Thank you so much for what you're doing with the diamond community. And they emailed me back and said they love to diamond paint. So the fact that they diamond paint, they know what we like, they know what we need. And so I'm just so excited to be able to support another person in the community. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Storm Sisters. I can't wait to check out what you're doing next. So until next time, see you guys later. Check out the site below. Check out if I'm lying. Go buy from them. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to shut this off and go use my new pens. So see you later. Bye-bye.